additional trailer coming out soon. Teaser lang kasi. Pero yung trailer, nakakatuwa actually once you see the trailer kasi makikita mo yung different colors of the film. As for my character naman, very very light din compared to what I'm used to. And so a very modern millennial. And yun nga, we get into an unlabeled relationship, and then kami naman ni Miss Dawn, meron kaming friendship. For my character, I have my own conflicts also. Meron din akong pinagdadaanan. Ayun, I don't want to reveal too much, pero mapapanood nyo din yung character ko is very yung may mga struggles din siya, also relative to her age, kasi may mga hindi pa rin siya napapatunayan. She's seeking approval, fulfillment, and also, of course, love. So, ayun, yun ang mapapanood niya.
And then ano lang,